grab your pencil and your paper.
And turn on your imagination. We're gonna draw. We're gonna create. We're gonna make something great. We're gonna draw. We're gonna create. We're gonna make something great. We're gonna draw. We're gonna create. We're gonna imagine. We're gonna Harptoons.
Hey artists, Steve Harpster here. I'm a cartoonist, an author, an illustrator, and if you love to draw, I have books you can check out at shopharptoons.com where you can do some more drawing, such as drawing crazy cartoons, drawing rad robots, and one of my favorites, monsters. We're going to draw a monster today. We're going to turn the capital letter E into Godzilla, cartoon Godzilla, and it's really fun and really easy. Now remember, I don't draw perfect. I draw for fun. You try doing the same. Don't worry about being perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. We're going to draw cartoon Zilla's eyes right here, and maybe some angry eyebrows. Let's draw a curved line here for the character's nose. And some little ovals in there. Let's add teeth. Next, we're going to turn this into the atomic breath. So we just draw a couple more dashes here and a wavy line here and here. There we go. We've got our Godzilla atomic breath. Now what we want to do is we're going to draw, let's draw an arm. So we're going to draw two lines here. And at the end of the arm, some sharp, pointy fingers. Let's draw the back of Godzilla. We're just going to draw a line that goes like this. And then we're going to draw Godzilla's legs. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a big rectangle shape here, unfinished rectangle shape with sharp, pointy claws. And then we're going to draw another line from the end of the E. It's going to go right there. Now we need to draw the leg on the other side with those sharp, pointy claws. Let's draw Godzilla's arm on the other side as well. And now we're going to draw the tail. Now your tail might go off the edge of your page. That sometimes happens. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to mess up. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little line here and then curved line for the tail. Now we want to bring this line back to the bottom of the foot. So we're just going to follow that tail, make it thicker as it goes towards the foot. And now it's all about adding those awesome spikes. So go crazy with these spikes. See how spiky you can make them. See how many you can even add. I'm not sure how many rows of spikes Godzilla has, but I know there's a bunch. And then draw some scales here. These are the detail. This is the detail part of the drawing. I'm also going to add these little E's right there on the knees for some wrinkles. And just add some more details again. Hey, and there you go, artist. You just drew Cartoon Godzilla. How cool is that? Hey, I'd love to see what you create, so make sure you share your drawings on my Instagram page. Also, I have subscription art lessons. Yes, a subscription art site that you're going to want to check out. So I'm inviting you to check out my subscription art site, Harptooniacs. Learn how to draw characters using the step-by-step how to draw videos and the drawing worksheets. Then spin the wheel to change, alter, transform, or just to make your character look different. Now print off and use the story prompt worksheets and write a short story about your character. Or if you want, print the comic prompt worksheets and write a short comic book about your character. Because when you create characters, you are creating stories. Oh, and guess what? There's also digital art lessons and animation lessons that you can check out as well. Hey, so click the link below and try 3 free lessons. That's right, you get to try 3 free lessons to see what Harptooniacs is all about. And yes, you'll get to spin the picker wheel. So head on over there, and I can't wait for you to check out Harptooniacs, where I believe every drawing tells a story. Well, artists, I hope you had a blast drawing, creating, and imagining. I had a blast drawing with you, and I can't wait to draw with you in the next video. But until then, keep on drawing, keep on creating, and keep on imagining.